I know you're worried about making money. You probably have tried different ways and different ideas to make money, but nothing seems to go in your favor. And maybe now you're starting to realize that making money is not easy as it seems, and it's not an easy pill to swallow. Or maybe not. With AI standing at the doorstep, making money online might seem an easy option for you now. And do you know what? You are right. And I have a good news for you. So let's start this video by exposing the secret that I discovered for making money online without any experience using AI. So there you have it, everyone. The secret is nothing. I'm sorry, there is no such secret of making money without any experience, even if you are using AI. Or maybe I'm not sorry.
I'd like to take this chance to apologize to absolutely nobody.
I honestly do not believe how you guys fell for these sort of traps and scams so easily. Listen to me guys, you are doing bad to yourself. Truly man, there are only two reasons that comes to my mind whenever I think how you get so easily trapped into these sort of scams and distracted by these sort of ideas of making money without any experience. I mean seriously. Either you are too innocent or perhaps you are living in a very fantasy world. That's it. There is no other thing. Give me one example of a person you know who is making massive amount of money, tons of money online without any experience. And I'll wait for that. But if you are innocent or you are distracted by a fantasy world, then I can't leave you alone and I want to help you. So don't worry, I've got your back. Let's start this video. Hi fam, what's up? I hope you spent a great weekend and welcome back to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, then let me introduce myself. My name is Daniel Malik and go to my channel's videos section and see the content that I've created. And if you like my videos, please make sure to subscribe, as I've set the target for myself to achieve 1000 subscribers by the end of this year. So I'm here today to talk about a very controversial topic, the idea that you can make money online without any experience with the help of AI. Now I know what you are thinking. You are thinking that there are tons of people who are making money online using AI, and you're right, there are. But the vast majority of these people are either very hardworking or either they are not being completely honest with you. The truth is that making money online with AI is hard work. It takes time, effort and skills, and the most important ingredient, experience, which comes with practice. And if you don't have any experience, you are at serious disadvantage. So why do all these people sell the idea of making money online without any experience? Well, it's simple. They need your time, they need your attention, and they need your money. Guys, I'm not going to sell you any sweet cakes. I'm gonna be very clear with you and brutally honest. There is no such thing as get rich quick schemes. And if anyone tells you that you can make money online without any experience or any effort, they are lying to you. So if you are looking for an easy way to make money, this video isn't for you. It was good having you here, but you must skip this video now. But if you are willing to work hard and learn, then stay here, I can help you achieve your goals. So without wasting any time, let's start this video. So I'm dividing this video into 3 sections to make it easy for you. And here's the first section. AI is a powerful tool that can help you make money online. But it's important to understand that it's just an assistant. Let me explain. Before you start using AI to make money online, you need to understand the basics of making money online. Point number 1. You need to understand the different ways to make money online. There are many different ways to make money online, such as affiliate marketing, or creating or selling a digital product, or providing your services, whether on Fiverr, whether on Upwork, or through using LinkedIn. And these were just a few examples, and there are tons of other ways. Number 2. You need to choose a niche and target audience. Once you understand the different ways of making money online, you need to choose your niche and your target audience. This will help you focus your efforts and create content that is relevant to your target audience. Number 3. You need to create high quality content. Whether you are writing blog posts or creating videos or social media content, it's important to create high quality content so that it attracts and engages your target audience. Number 4. You need to promote your content. Once you have created high quality content, then you need to promote it so people can find it. And don't worry, there are many ways to promote your content. For instance, using social media to your advantage, or using paid advertisement, or using email marketing. Number 5. AI can help you with all of these things. AI can help you research your niche, create your content, promote your content, and even automate some of your tasks. But it's important to understand that AI is just an assistant, and that you still need to work hard for making money online. Number 6. AI can help you automate your tasks, but it can't think for you. Now it's important to understand this point. AI is not a human. You are a human and you have a brain. You have to think and identify the problems that AI can solve and then dedicate your tasks to AI. You need to understand that AI cannot solve all of your problems. So you first need to identify the problems that AI can solve and then dedicate it to it. AI can help you generate content, but it can't create high quality content on its own. You need to be able to edit and refine the AI generated content to make it more informative, to make it more engaging and more persuasive to people. Because you are a human and you can think like people, and you know what persuades human beings better than AI. And now this is the last point of this section. AI can help you market and sell your products and your services, but it can't do it all for you. You need to develop a strong marketing and a sales strategy and use AI to support your efforts. Now here's the second section. What are the skills and ingredients you need to make money online? Number 1, you need to have a skill or a product to offer. Find out what are you good at. What do you know a lot about? What can you create or provide what other people want? Number 2, you need to be able to market yourself and your product or your services. This includes building a website or creating social media content or running ads. And last but not the least, you need to be patient and persistent. It takes time and effort to build a successful business online, and don't expect to start making money overnight. Now this is the final section. Before you use AI, you need to have a basic understanding of AI. This includes understanding the different types of AI, how they work, and what they can be used for. You need to be able to identify the problems that AI can solve. This requires you to have a deep understanding of the industry and the niche that you are interested in. You need to be able to develop and implement the AI solutions. This requires you to have programming skills and experience with the AI development tools. And last but not the least, you need to be able to market and sell your AI solutions. And this requires you to have strong marketing and sales skills. Now let's conclude this whole video. If you don't have a solid understanding of how to make money online, then you won't be able to use AI effectively. And there are many ways to make money online. What you need to do is to find a method that suits your work and your efforts and your style and your skills. And once you have a proven method of making money online, you can then explore how AI can help you scale your business, your services, and make you even more money. That's how you can make money online using AI. And here are a few things that I want you to keep in mind. You need to start by learning the basics of making money online. And there are many resources available online and in libraries. Choose a niche and your target audience, and this will help you relating your work with your target audience. Create high quality content. This is the key to attracting and engaging your target audience. And then promote your content. And last but not the least, use AI to automate tasks and support your efforts. But remember, AI is just an assistant. So if you are interested in making money online, I would encourage you to, start learning about AI and how to make money online today. Don't wait any longer. Your future is waiting for you. And I believe in you. You can do this. So there you have it, guys. I hope you liked this video. Please make sure to subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.